Todo paghahanap sa mga pinakanatatanging talento. Luis Manzano at Billy Crawford lilibutin ng Pilipinas para hanapin ang ultimate Pinoy talent. Todo excited sina Luis Manzano at Billy Crawford sa kanilang bagong show. Walang tigil sa kulitan sina Luis at Billy sa kanilang Victoria kahapon. Si Luis at Billy ang mga host ng pinakabagong talent search ng ABS-CBN, ang Pilipinas Got Talent.
From Britain's Got Talent. And one thing is I've done my fair share. Star, for example, I've been part of Request, which is basically a reality talent show then. But one thing about the show is anything goes. Like before, we were looking for the next leading man, the next leading lady. But here, anything goes. Kung kaya may pakita sa buong Pilipinas, we welcome it.
Sobrang tagal na namin siguro ng Pilipinas nag-a-assign ng show na to. And for the first time na lahat ng tayo, dito sa kapamilya, we're really excited. So, syempre nakaka-nervous din sa mga contestants and for the judges and for Luis and I.
At kung sino ang pwedeng sumali sa Pilipinas Got Talent,
Name it. Bago pa natin, di ba? Magagawa pa rin yung mga, basta may talent kaya. We believe na the Philippines has so much talent. Now at their time to shine talaga. From talagang apari hanggang pulo kahit this is your time.
Kumain ka ng bubog, di ba? Or kahit anong talent meron ka. Dito naman, as I said, you can be a circus clown, you can be anything you want to be as long as you have talent.
kung si Luis at Billy ang sasali sa Pilipinas Got Talent, ano naman kaya ang kanilang special skills na ipapakita?
That's a pretty good question. Siguro at least try keyword being try to dance.
Pwede akong sa Polynesian, yung nagsumasayo na may apoy. Kaya ko yun, ginawa ko yun dati sa fire dancing. Tsaka yung magic trick, pwede kong gawin yun. Tingnan mo, 5, 0. Got it! Yeah!
Di naman may tago ni Luis na excited sa makatrabaho kay kaibigan na si Billy.
He's my fellow castaway. That's one thing, and it's always a blast to work with him. I think we are two of the most, makulit hosts on Philippine TV.
Pero pabiro naman ang sagot ni Billy dito.
When I heard that Luis was hosting it as well, I actually called my management and told them I really want to go home now. And I really don't want to do it anymore. But Luis called me, and Governor actually called me as well. Tanggapin mo na din. Tanggapin, anak ko yan. So, of course, it's a pleasure to work with an old friend of mine. We're just having fun.
Samantala, maliban sa Pilipinas Got Talent, todo naman ang paghahanda ni Luis sa kanyang inaabangang susunod na movie project.
There are talks naman na my next movie might be with Miss Saturn and the Julian Santos. But I still have to sit down and meet and talk about the story. But so far, susunod na ako in terms of
Malapit na magsimula ang auditions ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
we start auditions sa Batangas November 6, 7, and 8. Basta may talent po kayo, be there.
Iispunin ang iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas para sa auditions ng Pilipinas Got Talent, kaya huwag palalampasin ang pagkakataon na maipakita ang inyong galing at maging parte ng pinakabagong talent search ng ABS-CBN. Ito si Glasgow Pulido para sa SNM Showbiz News ngayon.
Pilipinas Got Talent. Both the humor is right. Alam mo yun, yung...
WRY,
That's right.